In this video, we are going to look at Biology Paper 1, multiple choice for examination for General Certificate of Education, Ordinary Level, or simply GCE. This paper was written on Thursday, 10th August 2023. So this question paper has 40 questions. So to benefit from this paper, make sure you participate fully by dropping your answer in the comment section, and make sure you write the question number and the letter of your choice. So let's go through this paper and revise together. Question 1. Some lizards detach their tails when threatened by a predator. Which characteristic of living organisms is shown? A. Excretion. B. Growth. C. Reproduction. D. Sensitivity. Leave your answer in the comment section. The correct answer here is D. Sensitivity, because the lizard has seen the predator, so that is the predator now becomes a stimulus. So when the lizard detaches its tail, it's responding to the predator so that it will leave its tail, which will start shaking. So the predator will be distracted by the tail shaking as the lizard runs away for safety. So the correct answer here is D. Great job, chat. We move into the next question. Question 2. The diagrams show a plant and an animal cell. Which of the labeled structures is found in both the cells? A. W. B. X. C. Y. D. Z. Leave your answer in the comment section. The correct answer here is C, the cytoplasm. So the parts which are found in both plant and animal cells will include the nucleus, the cell membrane, and the cytoplasm. So there are three parts. Let me know in the comment section what is the collective name given to these three parts. Question number 3. Which of the following is not a tissue? A. Blood. B. Epidermis. C. Leaf. D. Muscle. Leave your answer in the comment section. The correct answer here is C, leaf. So a leaf is actually a plant organ. So a leaf is not a tissue. Excellent work, chat. We move on to the next question. Question 4. The graph shows how pH affects the rate of an enzyme-controlled reaction. Which letter on the graph shows the optimum pH? Is it A, B, C, or D? The correct answer here is C. The optimum pH is the maximum as the rate of reaction, where the rate of reaction is at its maximum. So the maximum point at the graph here is C. So that is the correct answer. Question 5. The table shows results of some food tests. Which sample shows food containing both the starch and the proteins? So sample A Benedict solution, blue. Burette reagent, blue. Ethanol, clear. Iodine solution, blue-black. Sample B, Benedict solution, blue. Burette reagent, purple. Ethanol, clear. Iodine, blue-black. Sample C, Benedict solution, red. Burette reagent, blue. Ethanol, cloudy. Iodine solution, brown. Sample D, Benedict solution, red. Burette reagent, purple. Ethanol, cloudy. Iodine solution, brown. So which food sample here contains both starch and the protein? Is it A, B, C, or D? Drop your answers in the comment section. The correct answer here is B. So a positive test for burette reagent will be testing for proteins and it will give a purple color. And the iodine test will be testing for starch. So a positive test for starch is a blue-black color. So the correct answer here is B. Well done, chat. Question 6. Which nutrient is needed to make the hemoglobin in red blood cells? A, calcium. B, iron. C, roughage. D, vitamin D. Leave your answer in the comment section. The correct answer here is B, iron. So to make hemoglobin, iron is needed. So that's why the hem comes from. So hem is short for iron. So we have hemoglobin, just like we have a hematite. So hem normally you end up giving a red color for the iron. Okay, so we move on to the next question. Question 7. A plant has weak cell walls. Which of the following nutrients was the plant lacking? So we are saying a plant has a weak cell walls. Which of the following nutrient was the plant lacking? A, boron. B, calcium. C, nitrogen. D, potassium. You can leave your answer in the comment section. The correct answer here is A, boron. So boron will actually make the cell walls stronger. So the correct answer here is boron. Well done, chat. That is the correct answer. Okay. Question 8. The diagram shows a section through a leaf. Which arrow represents the diffusion of oxygen during photosynthesis? Is it A, B, C, or D? Drop your answer in the comment section. The correct answer here is A. So during photosynthesis, plants will take in carbon dioxide and they react it with water in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll to form glucose and the oxygen. So the oxygen will be given as a byproduct. So that has to leave the leaves through the stoma. So the correct answer here is A. Well done, chat. Question 9. A tick feeding on the blood of a dog is an example of A, commensalism. B, mutualism. C, parasitism. D, predation. You can drop your answer in the comment section. The correct answer here is C, parasitism. So a tick is actually an ectoparasite or exoparasite which feeds outside the body of the dog. So that is what we refer to as a parasitism. So the dog in this case will be our host. Question 10. The dental formula of a dog is incisors, upper jaw X, lower jaw 3, canines upper jaw 1, lower jaw 1, premolars, upper jaw 4, lower jaw 4, molars upper jaw 2, lower jaw 3. The total number of teeth in the mouth of a dog is 42. Find the value of X. So A, we have 2, B, 3, C, 4, D, 6. You can drop your answer in the comment section. The correct answer here is B, 3. So to find B, in case you didn't know the dental formula, you can always use the formula for calculating this answer. So to find the total number of teeth, we need to multiply the sum of the teeth in the formula times 2. So we say total number of teeth will be equals to 2 times the dental formula. So here our total number of teeth we have is 42, will be equals to 2, then open brackets, we add the number of teeth, x plus 3 plus 1 plus 1 plus 4 plus 4 plus 2 plus 3. So when we add that up, we are going to get 18. So we'll say 42 will be equals to 2 open brackets x plus 18 close brackets. So now that we have the 2 being multiplied, we can divide the 2 on both sides. So once we divide the 2 on both sides, this will now give us 42 divided by 2, that will give us 21, and that now removes the 2 and we only remain with the x plus 18. So now that we have 21 is equals to x plus 18, we can move the 18 to the other side. So it will now become 21 minus 18 will be equals to x. So 21 minus 18, that is 3. So 3 is equals to what? X. So that is how you calculate, in case you didn't know. But I know we've been looking at this question for a long time. I think when we go to others and as well, we learn the total formula for a dog is mostly known. So if you are enjoying the video, make sure you give the video a thumbs up, and also subscribe to the channel if you have not yet subscribed, so that you don't miss out on any latest videos I upload. Question 11. The diagram shows the human alimentary canal. Which labeled structure produces gastric juice? Is it A, B, C, or D? Drop your answer in the comment section. The correct answer here is B. Gastric juice is produced by the stomach. So the stomach is the one which produces gastric juice. Excellent work, chat. That is the correct answer. Question 12. The diagram shows a gill of a fish. In which labeled part does gaseous exchange take place? A, Q, B, R, C, S, D, T. Drop your answer in the comment section. The correct answer here is D, T, which is showing the label of the gill filament. So the gill filaments are the ones which carry out gaseous exchange in fish. Well done, chat. That is the correct answer. Question 13. The diagram shows the life cycle of a mosquito. Which stage in the life cycle of the mosquito transmits pathogens? Is it A, B, C, or D? The correct answer here is A, the adult stage. So the adult stage is what is referred to as the biological vector, because it will be able to carry the parasites such as Plasmodium inside its salivary glands. So A here is the correct answer. Excellent work, chat. We move on to the next question. Question 14. Stigma against people living with HIV and AIDS can be reduced by A, fear, B, lack of information, C, myths, D, sensitization. Drop your answer in the comment section. The correct answer here is D, sensitization. So by sensitizing the community about how HIV and AIDS is transmitted, you can actually ensure that the community is able to reduce its stigma against people living with HIV and AIDS. So that is the correct answer. Well done, chat. Question 15. The diagram shows some storage organs in plants. Which of the following correctly identifies these organs? A, P, comb, Q, rhizome, R, tuber. B, P, comb, Q, tuber, R, rhizome. C, P, rhizome, Q, comb, R, tuber. D, P, rhizome, Q, tuber, R, comb. Leave your answer in the comment section. The correct answer here is D. So P is a rhizome, Q is a stem tuber, and R is a comb. Excellent work, chat. So that is the correct answer. So these storage organs are also what referred to as vegetative propagation organs as well. Okay, we go to the next question. Question 16. The table shows the blood groups in human beings. AB, ABO. Which blood group can be donated to any person? A, B, AB, C, B, D, O. Drop your answer in the comment section. Excellent work, chat. The correct answer here is D, O. So O, blood group O, is what is referred to as a universal donor. It can be donated to any type of blood group due to the absence of antigens on its surface. Well done, chat. Question 17. The diagram shows a section of the human heart. What is the function of the structure, the body Q? A, controls the amount of blood leaving the heart. B, increases the pressure in part R. C, prevents backflow of blood into part P. D, prevents backflowing into the vena cava. D, prevents blood flowing into the vena cava. What's your answer, chat? You can drop it in the comment section. Well done, chat. The correct answer here is C. So part Q, which is the bicuspid valves, will actually prevent backflow of blood into part P, which is the left atrium. Question 18. Where is urea made and where is it removed? So A, made in the kidney, removed by the bladder. B, made in the kidney, removed by the kidney. C, made by the liver, removed by the kidney. D, made by the liver, removed by the rectum. What's the answer, chat? Drop your answer in the comment section. The correct answer here is C. Urea will actually be made inside the liver by the process called deamination, where excess amino acids have their amino group removed. And once the urea is made, it will remove to the kidney, which is an excretory organ, which will remove the urea inside the nephron through the process known as the ultrafiltration. So the correct answer here is C. Excellent work, chat. So don't forget so don't mistake urea for urine. Yes, urine will be made in the kidney and removed inside the bladder. So actually here we're talking about the urea, the molecule itself. So the molecule will be made in the liver and removed by the kidney. Excellent work, chat. We go to the next question. Question 19. The diagram shows a section through the human skin. Which labeled structure releases sweat on a hot, sunny day? Is it A, B, C, or D? Drop your answer in the comment section. The correct answer here is C, the sweat glands. So the sweat glands are the ones which are in charge of producing sweat. So the correct answer is C. Excellent work, chat. Question 20. Which of the following is not an endocrine gland? A, pancreas, B, salivary, C, testes, D, thyroid. Leave your answer in the comment section. Is it A, B, C, or D? Excellent work, chat. The correct answer here is B, salivary glands. So the salivary glands are not an endocrine gland. They simply produce saliva, which goes to the mouth for digestion. So there's hardly any hormone which is produced by the salivary glands. Excellent work, chat. So if you are still watching and enjoying the video, make sure you give me a thumbs up so that I know you reached up to this point. Excellent. Question 21. When the nervous system responds to a stimulus, there are several stages leading to the response. The following are the stages. 1. The central nervous system processes the information. 2. Receptors detect the stimulus. 3. A nerve impulse is sent to the central nervous system. 4. A response is produced. 5. A nerve impulse is sent to the muscles. What is the correct order of the stages? You can leave your answer in the comment section. Is it A, 2, 3, 1, 5, 4, B, 2, 3, 5, 1, 4, C, 3, 2, 1, 5, 4, B, D, 3, 2, 5, 1, 4. The correct answer here is A. Excellent work, chat. So we start with first the receptors detecting the stimulus, then the information will be sent to the nervous system through the sensory neuron. So a nerve impulse is sent to the central nervous system, which is 3. Then inside the central nervous system, the information will be processed inside the relay neuron. So the relay neuron will then send an impulse to the motor neuron. The motor neuron sends the information to the muscle, which is an effector, and it will cause the muscle to contract, creating a response. So the correct answer here is A. So don't forget how the impulse moves. So impulse starts from receptor to sensory neuron to relay to motor to effector. Excellent work, chat. Question 22. The diagram shows a lens that is used to correct a defect in a human eye. What defect is corrected by this lens? A. Cataracts. B. Long sight. C. Presbyopia. D. Short sight. Drop your answer in the comment section. The correct answer here is B, long sight, because the lens which is being used here is a convex lens. So the convex lens is actually used to correlate the long sight, because in long sight, the light rays, when focusing a near object, will actually be formed after the retina. So you want to converge the rays so that they land on the retina. So that's why here we use a convex lens. The correct answer here is B. So short sight, we are going to use a concave lens. So that's why here our correct answer is B, long sight. 23. The diagram shows part of a human skeleton. We have the femur and W. Which of the following correctly identifies the bone labeled W and the type of skeleton? A. W. Fibula, skeleton, endoskeleton. B. W. Patella, skeleton, exoskeleton. C. W. Scapula, skeleton, endoskeleton. D. Tibia, skeleton, exoskeleton. So what is the correct answer? Is it A, B, C, or D? Drop your answer in the comment section. The correct answer here is A. The bone here is the fibula, and the skeleton in humans it's an endoskeleton. The skeleton in mammals is found inside the body. So we have an endoskeleton. So the correct answer here is A. So don't forget the smaller bone in the lower foot is the fibula, while the larger bone is the tibia. We go to the next question. Question 24. The diagram shows an experiment carried out in order to establish the process of tropism in plants. Before, after 1 week. What type of tropism was exhibited by the shoot What type of tropism was exhibited by the shoot of the potted plant? A. Negative geotropism. B. Negative phototropism. C. Positive geotropism, and D. Positive hydrotropism. So what's the correct answer, chat? Is it A, B, C, or D? The correct answer here is A, negative geotropism. So here we can see the shoot was growing straight, but after a while the shoot started growing upwards, which is away from gravity. So gravity pulls everything down, but the shoot is growing upwards. So the response here is a negative geotropism. Well done, chat. Question 25. The diagram shows the early growth of a green plant. What is occurring in the diagram from P to Q? A. Mitosis takes place, development occurs. B. Mitosis occurs, development does not occur. C. Mitosis does not occur, development occurs. D. Mitosis doesn't occur, development doesn't occur. What's the answer here? Is it A, B, C, or D? The correct answer here is A. So for a plant to grow, the cells will be dividing by mitosis in the region known as the region of cell division. And after the cells have divided, they will actually then elongate and then differentiate or develop in the zone of cell development. So here, both mitosis and development occurs during the process of growth. So the correct answer is A. Well done, chat. Question 26. Some seeds were sown in 4 dishes under different conditions as shown in the table. Dish 1, temperature 1 degree Celsius. Then dry. Dish 2, 1 degree Celsius, wet. Dish 3, 20 degrees Celsius, dry. Dish 4, 20 degrees Celsius, wet. In which dish would the seeds germinate most rapidly? Is it A, dish 1, B, dish 2, C, dish 3, D, dish 4? You can leave your answer in the comment section. The correct answer here is 4, dish 4. Because for germination to take place, we need 3 conditions. We need the suitable temperature, moisture, and the oxygen. So here we're going to need the suitable temperature for 20 degrees Celsius because 1 degree Celsius is too cold, and so therefore germination won't take place. So 20 will be okay, and you need the petri dish to be wet because of the presence of water. So the correct answer here is D. Well done, chat. Question 27. The diagram shows asexual reproduction in unicellular organisms. What name is given to this type of asexual reproduction? A. Binary fission. B. Budding. C. Fragmentation. D. Spore formation. What's the correct answer? Is it A, B, C, or D? Drop your answer in the comment section. The correct answer here is A. Excellent work, chat. This is a binary fission. So in binary fission, you are going to have a single cell dividing into 2 equal cells. So that is what we refer to as a binary fission. So binary fission is almost the same as mitosis, but it occurs in organisms that do not have a true nucleus. Question 28. The diagram shows one method of artificial vegetative propagation. What type of artificial vegetative propagation is demonstrated in the diagram? Is it A, budding, B, grafting, C, rearing, D, stem cutting? What's your answer? Is it A, B, C, or D? Drop your answer in the comment section. Excellent work, chat. The correct answer here is A, budding. So here it's not grafting because we are not cutting the entire stem. We're just adding a small piece of another stem, part 2, to a whole stem 1, and then we tie at step number 3. So that's why here our process is budding and not grafting. Well done, chat. Question 29. The diagram shows parts of a flower. Where are the male gametes produced? Is it A, B, C, or D? You can leave your answer in the comment section. The correct answer here is C. Male gametes are produced in the anthers. So the anthers are the ones which produce male gametes, and that is the part labeled C. Excellent work, chat. Again, so we got this one correct. Well done, chat. Very good. Question 30. Which fruit will be dispersed by wind? Fruit A, freshy and scented. Fruit B, lightweight and has wings. Fruit C, sticky and has hooks. Fruit D, sweet tasting and brightly colored. So which fruit can be dispersed by wind? Is it fruit A, B, C, or D? You can leave your answer in the comment section. Excellent work, chat. The correct answer here is B, lightweight and has a wing. So wind dispersal, the fruits or seeds have to be lightweight so that they are carried by wind. Then it can have structures such as a wing, for example, sycamore, or can have a parachute structure like dandelion. So here our correct answer is B. So sticky and has hooks, that is for animal dispersal, like for example the black jackfruit. So here our correct answer is B. Excellent work, chat. If you're still here and watching, let me know by giving me a hand wave emoji so that I know you have been watching all the way up to this point. Well done, chat. We move on to the next question. Question 31. The diagram shows the female reproductive system. Where does fertilization take place? Is it A, B, C, or D? You can drop your answer in the comment section. Excellent work, chat. The correct answer here is A. So fertilization will take place inside the fallopian tubes or oviducts. So that is where fertilization occurs. Excellent work, chat. All right, we move on to the next question. Question 32. The diagram below shows 4 methods of birth control. Which one is a hormonal method? Is it A, B, C, or D? You can leave your answer in the comment section. Excellent work, chat. The correct answer here is A, which are the contraceptive pills. So the contraceptive pills are the hormonal methods because they contain artificial progesterone, which prevents follicle stimulating hormone from producing a follicle. So the correct answer here is A. So we had B, which is the IUD, it's a barrier method. C, condoms, also barrier method. D is the Dutch cap, which is also another barrier method. So here the hormonal method is a contraceptive pills. Excellent work, chat. Question 33. A study was made of children whose mother was blood group O, genotype IOIO, and the father's blood group AB, genotype IAIB. Which statement about their children is correct? A, all have the same blood group. B, 50% who have the same blood group as their mother. C, 50% who have the same blood group as their father. D, none who have the same blood group as either parent. So what's your answer, chat? Is it A, B, C, or D? You can leave your answer in the comment section. So for this one, you can do a quick cross and then get your answer. Excellent work, chat. Very good. The correct answer here is D. None will have the same blood group as either parents. So after we've done your cross, we've noticed that to say we are crossing, the father is blood group AB and the mother is blood group O. And the genotype for the parents, we have IAIB, IOIO. So once we start crossing, so we have A crossing with O, another A crossing with the IO, then we have IB crossing with O, IB crossing with IO again. So that will give us a blood group. So the genotype will be IOIO, IBIO. So this gives us a blood group A, blood group A, blood group B, and blood group B. So you can see that the children have their own blood group A and B. Then the parents also have their own blood group C, A, B, and D, or which are different. So you can see that neither will have the same blood group as either parents. So that's why here the correct answer is D. Well done, chat. How was this question? Was it tricky, fair, or was it simple? Let me know in the comment section. Okay, thank you very much. Okay, good to know. All right, we go to question number 34. Which of the following is a beneficial use of mutation? A, creation of nuclear plants. B, formation of ultraviolet light. C, making of polyploid plants in agriculture. D, making of X-ray machines in hospitals. What is the correct answer? Is it A, B, C, or D? Let me know in the comment section. Well done, chat. The correct answer here is C, making of polyploid plants in agriculture, because agriculture likes producing larger fruits. So for example, tomatoes will normally be bigger if they contain more chromosomes. So if they have more chromosomes, they are what referred to as polyploid plants. So oranges, grapes, which are polyploid, end up producing bigger fruits. So for example, here in Zambia, we normally get our oranges maybe from South Africa. So these big oranges we normally buy, once you cut into the orange, you normally find that they are sterile, they have no seeds, because these fruits have a mutation which has occurred. It makes the fruits bigger, but they end up being sterile, not having any seeds. So these fruits are actually very good for fruit juice production, because you have more juice coming due to the bigger seeds, and you spend less time filtering to remove the seeds as you are making your juice. So that is the answer here, making of polyploid plants in agriculture. So the correct answer for 34 is C. We move on to the next question. Question 35. Which of the following are characteristics of a fish? So A, maintaining of body temperature present, external ears present, jelly covered eggs absent, scales absent. B, maintaining body temperature present, external ears absent, jelly covered eggs present, scales present. C, maintaining body temperature absent, external ears present, jelly covered eggs absent, scales absent. D, maintaining body temperature absent, external ears absent, jelly covered eggs present, scales present. Let me know in the comment section which of the following are the characteristics. Which one is the characteristic of fish? Is it A, B, C, or D? Well done, chat. The correct answer here is D. So fish do not maintain their body temperature. They are cold-blooded, or they are pichiliotherms, meaning that they do not regulate their body temperature. And fish also do not have external ears like the way dogs have or humans have. So they have no external ears. Then the eggs they produce will be covered with the jelly, and they have scales on their body. So the correct answer here is D. Hold on, chat. Question 36. Which factor will cause a decrease in population size? A, decrease the death rate. B, decrease the diseases. C, decrease the food supply. D, decreased predation. What's the answer? Is it A, B, C, or D? Let me know in the comment section. Hold on, chat. The correct answer here is C, decrease the food supply. So when we have decreased the food supply, organisms won't have enough food, so they will actually start starving and they end up dying. So as the death rate increases due to lack of food supply, the population ends up reducing. So the correct answer here is C. Well done, chat. All right, we'll move on to the next question. Question 37. The diagram shows a part of a carbon cycle. What does the arrow X represent? Plants giving carbon dioxide out to the atmosphere. So is it A, decay, B, nutrition, C, photosynthesis, D, respiration? So what is the X? You can drop your answer in the comment section. Is it A, B, C, or D? Well done, chat. The correct answer here is D, respiration. So plants release the carbon dioxide to the atmosphere through the process of respiration. So when they're using up oxygen and reacting with glucose, they'll produce water and carbon dioxide as a waste product which they need to excrete. So the process here is respiration. Well done. Question 38. Which of the following is an effect of deforestation? A, decreased carbon dioxide content in the air. B, decreased flooding of lower lying land. C, increased rainfall. D, increased rate of soil erosion. What's the answer? Is it A, B, C, or D? Which one is an effect of deforestation? Well done, chat. The correct answer here is D, increase the rate of soil erosion. So when deforestation occurs, the trees have been cut, the roots were needed to hold the soil. So when it rains, the soil erosion will take place due to the absence of the roots to hold the soil. So all the topsoil gets washed away. So we are going to have an increased rate of soil erosion. Excellent work. All right, so we move on to the next question. Question 39. Some examples of waste products of human activities are 1. Discarded household rubbish, 2. Excess fertilizer, 3. Industrial chemicals, D. Untreated sewage. Which of these can cause increased growth of aquatic plants? A. 1 and 2, B. 1 and 3, C. 2 and 4, D. 3 and 4. What's the correct answer? Is it A, B, C, or D? Well done, chat. The correct answer here is C. So we are going to see an increase in growth of aquatic plants. That is what referred to as eutrophication. So eutrophication can be caused by excessive fertilizer running off to the pond, as well as untreated sewage. So our answer here is 2 and 4. Well done, chat. All right. We now reach the last question, which is question number 40. I hope we'll all get this one correct. Which of the following is a sustainable use of resources? A. Deforestation, B. Gamekeeping, C. Overfishing, and D. Overhunting. What's your answer? Is it A, B, C, or D? Excellent work, chat. Sustainable use of resources is game keeping. So the correct answer here is B. Excellent work to everyone. Thank you so much for watching until the end. I really appreciate your company and being here all the way up to the end. So if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give your video a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss out on any new videos I upload. Don't forget to also share with your friends. Thank you so much for watching once again. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.